I found a way to automate a $50 an hour side hustle using only free AI tools. 2026, making money with AI is less about pushing a button and more about using free tools to replace expensive software or tedious manual labor. Since you're looking for zero investment, your primary cost will be the time spent learning and executing. Here are the most effective free AI tools and the specific ways you can monetize them today. 1. Content and writing services. The blank page is the enemy of profit. Use these tools to draft high-quality work for clients. ChatGPT free tier, ideal for SEO-optimized blog posts, product descriptions, and ad copy. Link to copy.ai, Writesonic. Both offer free tiers specifically tuned for marketing copy and hook generation for social media. How to monetize. Offer content refresh services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Take a client's old boring blog posts and use AI to make them punchy and SEO friendly. 2. Visual design and digital products. You no longer need to be a Photoshop expert to sell professional visuals. Canva AI Magic Studio. Use the free text-to-image and Magic Edit tools to create social media templates, YouTube thumbnails, or digital planners. Link to Leonardo.ai, a powerful free alternative to Midjourney. You get daily credits to generate high-end art for book covers or print-on-demand designs. How to monetize. Create and sell digital starter kits, e.g., 50 Instagram templates for real estate agents on Etsy. Once uploaded, this becomes passive income. 3. Video and faceless channels. Video content currently has the highest reach and ad revenue potential. CapCut, desktop/mobile, includes AI features like auto captions and script to video. Pictree AI offers a free trial to turn text scripts into videos using stock footage, perfect for faceless YouTube channels. 11 Labs, the industry leader for free, realistic AI voiceovers, up to a certain character limit per month. How to monetize. Start a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel focused on niches like daily motivation or tech news. Use AI to write the script, voice it, and edit the footage. 4. Systems and organization. Many small businesses are disorganized. You can sell them order. Notion AI. Use the free version of Notion to build custom project management dashboards. Perplexity AI. Use it as a supercharged research assistant to create market reports or deep dive newsletters. How to monetize. Sell Notion templates to students or small business owners. Alternatively, offer a research as a service for busy executives who need weekly summaries of industry trends. Comparison of top free tools. 2026. Tool. Best for monetization strategy. ChatGPT. Writing and strategy. Freelance copywriting, Valash SEO. Canva. Graphic design. Selling Etsy templates. Link to Leonardo.ai. High-end visuals. Book covers, Valash print on demand. CapCut. Video editing. Short-form content agency. Notion. Organization. Selling workflow templates. A simple no-money workflow to start today. 1. Find a niche, e.g., email marketing for pet shops. 2. Generate leads. Use Perplexity AI to find 20 local pet shops with poor social media presence. 3. Create a sample. Use ChatGPT to write a sample email and Canva to design a sample post. 4. Reach out. Send your samples to the owners. If they hire you, use the free tools to fulfill the work.